How to start dropshipping in 2025 step by step for beginners. Dropshipping is still one of the easiest ways to start an online business in 2025, but things have changed. No more slow shipping, no more outdated products, and no more saturated markets. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to launch a profitable dropshipping business this year even if you're starting from scratch. And at the end, I'll share the biggest mistake that's stopping most beginners from making money. Step 1. Understanding dropshipping in 2025. So, what is dropshipping? Instead of buying products upfront and stocking inventory, you list items on your store, and when a customer orders, your supplier ships it directly to them, your profit. The difference between what the customer pays and what you pay the supplier. But in 2025, slow shipping and unreliable suppliers are a thing of the past. Now, we have faster fulfillment options like US warehouses, ad-driven marketing, and smarter product selection. Step 2. Choosing a profitable niche. Picking the right niche is critical. In 2025, generic products won't make you money. Instead, look for high profit margin products sell for 3 to 5x cost price. Trending products with real demand use TikTok, AI tools, and Google Trends. Problem-solving or viral products people buy these impulsively. Some trending niches in 2025. AI-powered gadgets, smart pet accessories, health and wellness tech, and eco-friendly products. Asterisk. Step 3. Finding reliable suppliers with fast shipping. The biggest problem with dropshipping used to be slow shipping times. But in 2025, you can use suppliers with US or European warehouses for faster delivery. Platforms like ZeneDrop, CJ Dropshipping, and TikTok Shop Fulfilled can get your products delivered in 3 to 7 days instead of 30. Step 4. Setting up your online store. Building a store is easier than ever. Just sign up on Shopify, choose a high-converting theme like Beautify or Sense, and use AI tools like GemPage to design your store in minutes. Make sure your website loads fast, looks professional, has clear product descriptions with reviews, uses AI-powered chatbots for customer support. Asterisk. Step 5. Marketing and getting your first sale. Fastest way in 2025. Traffic is everything. In 2025, here's what's working best. TikTok and Instagram Reels. Post viral product videos daily. TikTok Shop and influencer marketing. Pay micro-influencers to promote your product. AI-powered ads. Use AI tools like AdCreative.ai to create high-converting ad creatives automatically. Google Shopping and SEO. List your store on Google for organic sales. TikTok Shop is huge in 2025. Many dropshippers are making thousands just by listing their products there. Asterisk. Wait for part 2. Now, if you want to see the best products to sell in 2025, check out this video here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any doubts.